When you think of the ocean, you think of the iconic bird, the gull. These seagulls are older than you might think. The earliest fossils were found in Mesozoic strata between 20 and 15 million years ago.
Meu coração quer cantar feliz, sorrir, dançar e viver essa vida de aprendiz.
Strictly a water bird, gulls can float on water like ducks and even have webbed feet, but they prefer to land on dry land. So if there's land or a boat, they'll land there, and rarely take to the water. Although they are famous as seabirds and their main food is sea creatures, they sometimes go deep into the land and eat freshwater fish and frogs in rivers, swamps, ponds, lakes, rice fields, and reservoirs, and they are said to eat rabbits on rare occasions. Many people mistakenly think they are about the size of a pigeon or magpie when they see them flying from a distance or see them in photographs. Gulls are about 1 meter long with their wings outstretched, and their beaks are about the length of an adult's finger, making them at least the size of a duck. They look like they only live in the ocean, but they also live in the Han River. They are quite ferocious, so they eat other animals' babies and eggs, and even fly at people to attack them. It looks cute from a distance, but it might be scarier than you think when you see it up close. Baboons are medium to large primates native to Africa and Western Asia. They are the largest of the monkeys and have an elongated snout and face like a dog. The saying that monkeys have red buttocks actually comes from baboons. Each species is slightly different, but most live in polygamous groups. There is a hierarchy and a ranking system, but it's more likely that the calmer males are more popular with females than violent males. They're basically omnivores, but they're the second most prolific carnivores and hunters among primates after humans. They often hunt in groups. They'll eat anything from small gazelles to other monkeys to birds. They have a fierce and belligerent temperament and live in groups. They can use weapons like branches and stones against their sharp fangs, and can use their sharp fangs as weapons, such as sticks and stones. Baboons are very protective of their territory. If you happen to trespass on their territory, you'll have to be careful, as they can be very aggressive.